Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Have you heard the good news? Yeah, there is a solution to fix the wobble on the XPeak. And I'm not talking about something gimmicky like, taking off your baskets and reducing your weight and shifting your weight and changing your tires and that sort of thing. I'm talking about a real fix that will eliminate the wobble. Yeah, so here's the story. Gary over at Gary's eBike Adventures came up with a solution, and he's already been talking to Lectric about it. He installed a small part on his bike and tested it out. Gone. No more wobble. I'm excited. He's excited. A lot of people are excited about this. So here's what you need to do. You need to jump over there and check out his video. Let him explain it to you, what he did, what part you need to buy in order to fix this, and it'll solve your problem. We assume it solved his problem on his step over. I'm sure hoping it's going to solve the problem here on the step through. Time will tell. But hey, check out the video. It's right here.